In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the mobile version on desktop in Elementor on your WordPress website. To change the mobile version on desktop in Elementor, log into your WordPress website dashboard. Here, you will see all your pages. Simply choose the page you want to edit by left-clicking the appropriate option. After left-clicking, you will be taken to the selected page. In the top bar, left-click the blue Edit with Elementor button. This will load Elementor. Wait a few seconds for Elementor to successfully load. Once Elementor has loaded, you will see the Elementor page editor layout. To change the mobile version on the desktop, look to the bottom of the left navigation bar where you'll see a set of icons. Left-click the icon that looks like a computer and a smartphone, labeled Responsive Mode. After left-clicking, you will see three new icons at the top of the page next to the left navigation bar. Choose the mobile phone icon. Now, your website view will switch to a mobile view. You can change all the settings according to how a smartphone user would view your site. To change settings, simply select the element you want to edit by left-clicking it on the page. Then, tweak the settings in the left navigation bar. After tweaking all the settings, simply click the Update button at the bottom of the left navigation bar to save all the changes.